Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Slides and Nearpod together. So most of my Nearpod lessons I make in Google Slides, not in the Nearpod website. But the first thing I always do, just to make sure everything is seamless, is go to my KD Cloud and go to Nearpod. If you search Nearpod, you can open. It may ask you to log in. If so, use your KD ISD credentials. And now you are logged into Nearpod. And then from here, I just leave this tab open and I'll go to my KD ISD Google Drive. Now, you need to be sure that you're in your KD Google Drive, not a personal one. And then new Google Slide. Okay, now I'm in my Google Slide, which is just like PowerPoint. Hello, this is practice. You type your notes and whatever you want to do, and you want to embed a Nearpod activity, you go to Add-ons, Nearpod, Open Nearpod. I found if I hadn't already logged into Nearpod, like I just showed you, that sometimes this side Nearpod doesn't pull up. And now you can embed any of your Nearpod activities that you would like. So I want to embed a PhET simulation. I just click on it. That one looks great. Done. So now when my students go through my Nearpod, this is the first slide they'll see, and then they'll see a PhET simulation. And when you have your Google slide ready to go, all you have to do is click Save and go to Nearpod. And it will open another Nearpod tab. That's okay. You can exit out of the original one. And now you'll find it in your Nearpod. And you can add this to Canvas as an assignment, which I'll show in a second. The only thing I wanted to make sure is that Google's Nearpod is not like Google Slides where changes save automatically. So let's say I added this Nearpod, I added this to my actual Nearpod, but I decide I want to change this Google slide and I want to add in something else. This will not take effect in the Nearpod. The Nearpod will not have this change. And so anytime you make a change to your Google slide, you need to do the following steps where you open, and it already says this lesson is saved. Are you sure you want to edit it? Yes, I want to edit it. And you have to redo, save, and go to Nearpod. And then it will be saved in the Nearpod website. So it's just not an automatic change process, unlike most Google assignments. Okay, so you've made your Nearpod. You have saved it into the Nearpod website. To embed it as a Canvas assignment, and I'm just going to put it right here. Go to Canvas, your module, add assignment, create an assignment, Nearpod practice, add item. And again, because Nearpod is not like Google Slides where things update automatically, do not add this Nearpod into your Canvas course until you are ready for students to access it and you're not going to change it anymore. Type whatever you want, your points. For submission type, you go to External Tool, Find. I make that larger. And you find, where was it? Nearpod. And there it is. I usually pick student paced, but if you want to use this as a live participation, go for it. Select, change your settings, due dates, etc. And now it is a Canvas assignment, and you can grade it in SpeedGrader, which is very convenient. You see all of your students' answers. I definitely suggest using your Nearpods in this manner. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.